Hello everyone!
Ciao dear Sicily lovers!
Good morning! Good morning!
We are very happy because we are enjoying our beautiful Sicily Lovers Tour with beautiful people.
And we are enjoying one of my favorite places in Sicily, that's Ortigia, the beautiful historical center of Syracuse. We are in the east of Sicily. Today we had a special walking tour, guided walking tour with one of my favorite local guides in Sicily, Elisa. And now our group of beautiful people are enjoying a special lunch in our favorite restaurants in Ortigia. Would you like to say something about the next editions?
Maybe you could join one of the next editions of the Sicily Lovers Tour next year. The first one will be in May, but there is only 2 spots.
Yeah, we have limited spots because the May edition and September edition are almost sold out. Only 2 spots. We have some more spots in June, so you can check on our website bestthingsToDoInSicily.com and you can join us. Otherwise, you can ask us to provide you a private tour of Sicily all year round.
And it will be custom according to your needs and passions.
So now let's see what our clients are doing. It's a surprise for them.
Let's see. Let's see.
So, how's your tour is going so far?
Terrific. First class all the way. First class all the way. You can't be treated.
And you are an expert.
I'm an expert.
Because you are 100% Sicilian,
That's
no?
Right. We have high expectations, and you fulfill them all.
Thank you, David. Would you like to say hello to your relatives in the States?
Ronnie, Danny, John, Comosi, Sigono. Turn on the TV, YouTube, you'll see it.
Yes, thank you, David. Thank you.
Would you like to say hello to your friends as well?
Hello, everyone. Hi, John, Anthony, Mom, or Helen.
Happy birthday, twins.
Happy birthday,
Giovanni and Isabella.
How's it going so far?
Over the top.
Thank you. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Michelle.
Thank you, Gianca and Rosella.
Thank you.
Hi, Matt and Mike. I miss you. You should be here like I told you.
So, is it Sicily worth visiting? What's your experience? Emily, Sandy, say something.
Say hi to my grandma Grigoli.
And Julia.
Definitely watching.
Oh, yeah. And Mark.
My husband.
We miss you, my partner. Yes. And it's so different from Italy, the rest of the mainland. This is really unique and wonderful. We're so glad to be here.
Thank you for being here. Thank you, Emily, for being so beautiful testimonial to all our contents. Because she has a Sicilian DNA. Dave, Stephanie.
They're watching you.
Oh, this is the most wonderful trip. Anybody with Sicilian roots should do this. This is the best. The best.
Thank
I'll be
you.
blunt, there's no choice. It's this or nothing.
Thank you. So let's see what you are having now. What you are? Oh, calamari. So this is our second course, or it's the third. This is the third course. 3.
This is the best trip ever. I want to say hello to Azalea and Isaiah and Tessa and Cameron. We love you. Ciao Rosanna, Giulia, ciao Gonzalo.
From Sicily with love.
They're fine.
They're in good hands. Oh, we have some beautiful person here.
This side.
Karen and Eugene. Salute!
Everything has been fine except for the gelateria and noto.
This is the only disappointing thing, but I know how to solve it.
The best things to do in Sicily.
Yes, yes. I have already a solution for that.
I've been waiting my whole life to come to the land where my grandparents came from. And this has been the most special trip of my life. And my parents and grandparents would be so proud and so happy.
Yes.
I come to visit where my roots are. And I also got a chance to enjoy some of the most delicious Sicilian food, especially last night, where I had the pasta with the black squid cuttlefish sauce.
Yeah, this is a special advertising for all people who don't trust that it's a very tasty dish.
And I had cassata for breakfast. And a cannoli.
Gene, would you like to say where you are from in Sicily?
Well, my grandparents came from a lovely town outside of Palermo, Polizzi Generosa.
Polizzi Generosa, for those who don't know, is also the hometown of Domenico Dolce, the famous stylist, Dolce & Gabbana.
I have their cologne at home. I have that, I use that.
Thank you, Gene, thank you, Karen. Ray, Joanna.
Hello to your friends.
Hi, everybody back home. We miss you, but we're having a ball here, and we couldn't be happier.
They don't want to come.
This was a trip of a lifetime, and I never thought I would do it, but we're here. Anyway, and we miss you.
Thanks,
The
Joanna.
best tour ever.
Thanks.
And the food was amazing.
What's your favorite location so far?
Like Ragusa.
Of course, because you are from Ragusa.
That's my hometown.
And you had the opportunity to see the Feast of St. George.
Yes, I did, and it was amazing. And I got to see a cousin who I never even knew I had. And I got to see the houses where my mom and dad grew up, and the church where my mom and dad got married in Pisa, and where I was christened. So it was amazing.
And we are very happy to give this opportunity to find your relatives, to show your ancestral town. So we are really happy, really proud.
It's a miracle that we were able to go with you, because I don't think there's anything better.
Thank you so much.
It's amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. You deserve the best. You all deserve the best. So we have 6 more gentlemen.
We have 6 friends in this table.
Roseanne, you are the guilty one, because you made everything possible. You invite your family, your relatives. So we have Bob, George, Jen, Bob, and Gloria. Ciao. You were the first person who discovered Rosella and me.
I did. And if you want to go to Italy, choose Sicily and this tour. You can't go wrong. It's amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You are so kind. Thank you.
Gloria is very demanding because she's a good cook.
So would you like to say something about, so what's the reason you came from Virginia to Sicily? How did you decide to visit Sicily?
We've done Rome, we've done Tuscany, we went to Capri and all that. We said, we're going to do Sicily.
Yeah, how do you feel? So is Sicily worth visiting?
Yes, it's amazing, it's different. But you guys, top notch.
Thank you so much.
It was very gracious.
Thank you so much.
You can't ask for more.
What about your cooking experience, Gloria? Did you enjoy all the cooking shows, cooking classes?
Yes, it was amazing. The food that we have been eating is just top notch. They have taken us to the best places to eat. I like to cook, but I'll tell you, I hope to go home and try some of these recipes.
What about your favorite cooking class so far? What's the best for you? Oh, they say sausage. They say sausage.
The sausage. We had a ball. Actually, all of it. We had kind of a picnic after we made the sausage, and we danced the night away.
That was amazing.
We had a ball. I think we all gelled at that time. We were kind of, people were trying to get to know one another, but I think that experience, we all really had a ball together. Dancing and just having a very, very good time.
Thank you, Gloria. So, but we can't forget Vito's house experience. We can forget Palazzo Francavilla. We can forget the cooking class with Nella yesterday. We had the ricotta, the ricotta experience, and we are expecting another cooking class in Taormina. That will be special as well.
Now it's time to enjoy calamari, and you have to get all together with me. Do you remember?
So I go this way because I want to show all of you.
So, all together.
Raise your glasses. Intanto salute. Salute, salute. And now, Rosella, you are free to say what you want. Thank you.
I've got to talk about the 500 drive.
Oh yeah!
That was so good. That was
say it, Dave. Save it.
We all had a great time driving around in the Fiat 500.
But did you drive the Fiat 500?
No.
Were you the driver?
No, I was a passenger holding on.
Just a passenger. Because some people may be scared. No, I don't want to drive a Fiat 500.
It was an experience that I'll never forget.
Thank you, Dave. So, once again, Rosella, mettiti qua con me e salutiamo. Once again, thanks for watching us and kisses from Sicily.